Your Excellency, President, it is a great honor and pleasure to stand before you today to present my credential as Ambassador Extraordinary and Plenipotentiary of the Republic of South Sudan. I convey to you the warmest greeting and best wishes from His Excellency General Salva Kiir Mayardit, the President of the Republic of South Sudan. It is our shared desire to further strengthen the strong bilateral relations that exist between our two nations. I am fully aware of the significant responsibilities that lie ahead, and I'm committed to working diligently to advance our bilateral cooperation. I'm confident that with Your Excellency guidance and support, we can achieve a great milestone. Thank you, Your Excellency, for your warm reception. I look forward to you working closely with your government and the people of Kenya to promote peace, security, and prosperity in our region. Here are my credentials, Your Excellency.